Hello. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. Today I'm coming at you with a crochet tutorial. I got this look for under $14, so if you're interested, stay tuned. So starting out, my hair is already braided. If you're interested in the braid pattern that I used, I will place a link down below. I left the front, sides, and the back of my hair out so that it would blend seamlessly with the crochet. I used one pack of this Cuban Havana shake and go crochet hair. I originally bought 2 packs, but I ended up not needing the 2 packs. I don't even know if I used the full 1 pack of hair. And so what I'm doing now is I'm crocheting this hair into my head. And I'm assuming that most of us know how to crochet hair by now, but I could be wrong. So I will also link a very detailed video on how to crochet hair. But basically what I'm doing is I am taking a piece of hair. You open up the crochet needle, stick it under the braid, put the piece of hair inside of the hook, close the hook, and then pull the hair through your underneath your braid with the hook. Now as you see, I've skipped forward. Most of my hair is braided. We're going to do a braid out on this crochet. And this hair is very hard to brush. So what I suggest using is getting your least favorite leave-in conditioner or your least favorite curl cream, applying it all throughout the hair to soften the hair up, and then brush through the hair. Originally, I had kept in all the footage of how long it took me to just brush this one part of my hair, and you all, it took so long that it made the video like an extra 5-6 minutes, and I was like, there's no way that you guys want to watch this whole thing. So I did y'all a favor and sped up the video. But so you have an idea of how long it takes, I did want to show a good amount of this clip. So this is going to be the most tedious part, and I gotta be real with y'all. It took me some time to record this video. Like, I literally recorded this video over several different days, because while this hairstyle is very cute, it's very affordable, it is a tedious hairstyle that takes some time to do. And your arms will be tired after all of this brushing and braiding and crocheting, but I promise you it will be absolutely worth it in the end. So here I'm just braiding this last braid, similar to what you would do on your own hair for a braid out. Now we've gotten to the end. I have about 9 braids in this clip. I'm going to show you something funny. I ended up not being able to finish recording that particular time that I did my hair, so I redid this look over for you, which is why I have less braids in this look, but it still all turns out great. I believe I have about 4 or 5 braids in this look, and what I did is I put some rollers on the ends, And I dipped some perm rods. I dipped the perm rods in some hot water. So you want to seal the ends and dip them in hot water so that they are extra curly for you. And then you continue to take out the braid. To be honest, I do like the look when I had 9 braids as opposed to the 4 or 5. I think there's one extra braid back there. I'm not sure. But the more braids, the better the braid out is going to be. So I do suggest, if you have the time and the patience, to definitely use more braids because your hair will be much fuller and the braid out will be more defined. I think overall, this look from start to finish, assuming your hair is already washed and braided, I believe this look would take on average about 3 to 4 hours to 3 to 4 hours to install. This look is time consuming, y'all, but it's worth it. I've had it in my hair now for about a month. I'm getting ready to take it out, and because my natural hair is 4C, it just blends so perfect. This literally looks like a full weave in my hair, and it's not. It was only $14. It took a while, but I imagine it takes about the same time as getting a weave. The problem with me is I can't wear weaves or wigs because they itch and irritate my scalp so bad that to me it's just not even worth it. They're not really a protective style for me because I dig in my scalp so much when I have them in. So I prefer crochets. That's just my preference. I wish I could be a wig girl, but they're too irritating for my scalp. So here, as you've seen, I've let down the braids, and now we're just going to kind of pick them apart, fluff the hair out. Once I've picked apart the hair and fluffed it out, I'm going to go in with this Shine Jam and kind of lay the front of my hair down. I don't ever really bother with my edges because 1, I barely have any, and 2, there's no hairstyling gel or edge control or anything that could lay these things down. And I mean, I don't really care, you know. Edges don't always have to be perfectly laid. So here I'm just trying to lay down the front for a more flat kind of look. Because I did not mention this before, make sure when you're doing this look that you have a sturdy paddle brush, okay? Do not use a flimsy one. Use your best sturdy paddle brush to brush all this hair out, because the hair may look soft in the video, but before you apply that leave-in conditioner, it is not soft at all. It's going to take a tough brush to be able to stand up to this hair, let me tell you. So now we're going to lay down the front part of my hair. Put my scarf on. And of course, you know we had to go in with a Dope Queens Cosmetics lipstick. Our lipsticks last all day. They are cruelty free. They do not smudge. They do not budge. They are beautifully pigmented. Your lips will be popping. I will put the link down in the description box if you would like to purchase. This lipstick is called Faith. It's one of my more favorite nude, natural kinds of lipsticks. So make sure you visit us, www.dopequeens.com, and get you a lipstick, girl. Now that our face is beads, the front of our hair is laid, we're going to take the scarf off. Fix and fluff the hair to your liking. And voila! Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed what you saw. We'll be back next week.